To find and manage all display settings on your Redmi Pad 2nd generation, just start by opening System Settings, and over here you'll have to scroll down and navigate into Display and Brightness. And as you can see over here, you can find a lot of options, like for example the dark mode that we can simply turn on and off by clicking on this switcher. But also we can schedule that mode by going for this switcher. There we go. Here we can set this from sunset to sunrise, from the custom time, or for example, if there's like any application that doesn't support that mode, you can force this application to run in the dark mode, like for example, I did it with TikTok application. Next, by going below, we can find the screen brightness, so we can also change it like we want. But below, we can find another option called automatic brightness and the outdoor mode. So it will increase the display brightness, but you have to remember that it's gonna heat up the device and consume more battery. Over here we can change colors, but also we are able to change temperature. I will stay with this one. Over here we got the reading mode, so it's the blue light filter that will allows you to change some things like the color temperature. You can turn on black and the white color. You can only turn light colors, or you can get full colors. And over here you can also set this as a schedule, like with the dark mode. When you go back, we can find a refresh rate, so we can switch from 60 to 90 Hz. And below we can find font settings. We can change font style and the font size.